Hello everyone. So in the previous lecture I had explained till file storage and database storage. So in this lecture I will continue file storage. So the specific file format used to store data depends on number of factors, like which file is format we have to use to store data. That's depend upon number of factor like type of data being stored, either structure, semi structure or unstructured, the application and service that will need to read, write and process the data, the need for data files to be readable by human or optimize for efficient storage and processing. So we have to look into multiple factor while choosing which format we are going to use to store the data. So we have some common format which are human readable, like delimited text file, JSON, extensive markup language called XML, binary large object, blob, and there are some optimized file formats. So example Avro, ORC and Parquet. So these three, Avro, ORC and Parquet, I will cover in a separate video because these are very important and little bit complex structure. So let me explain the file format which are human readable. So delimited text file, it is one of the simple text file that we do use in our daily work. So data is often stored in plain text format with a specific field delimiter and row terminator. So we have one example, comma separated value, so in which field are separated by comma and rows are terminated by carriers return or new line. So this CSV file we do use in our daily work, and we have some another like tab separated file fixed with data, like that. Another is like JSON file format. So JSON is a ubiquitous format in which a hierarchical document schema is used to define data entity. So what does mean of hierarchical document schema? So let me show you. So in the previous video I have shown the semi structured data and shown the example of JSON file. So here you can see like we are storing a customer data like first name, last name and then address. So in address we can see we have another level like street address, city, state, postal code. So this is called hierarchical document, like first name, last we have stored for name, and then for address we have one more hierarchy. Same for contact. So we have two type of contact, home and email. So this kind of structure we call as hierarchical document for, and when we have to store this kind of data we do prefer JSON. Now let's go to the file format. So these are two important file format. One is another is extensible markup language. So it was popular in 1990 and 2000, but now I don't think anyone is using. So let's go to the binary large object. So all files are stored as a binary data 1 and 0, but in the human readable format, and common type of data stored as binary includes image, video, audio and application specific documents. Like mostly we do use binary large object to store data like image, video, audio, like that. So actually this optimized file format I will discuss in the next video, and I will cover in details about every optimized file format like Avro, ORC and Parquet. Thank you.